War is changing. Battles are no longer decided only by soldiers on the ground, tanks on the front line, or fighter jets in the sky. Today, wars are increasingly shaped by something invisible but incredibly powerful: artificial intelligence. The United States Army is entering a new era of warfare, where algorithms analyze battlefields, machines assist soldiers, and robots operate in environments too dangerous for humans. This is not science fiction. This is modern warfare. The U.S. Army is transforming itself to fight future wars faster, smarter, and with greater precision than ever before. Artificial intelligence and robotics are now central to how the Army plans, trains, and fights. This is the story of how the U.S. Army uses AI and robots, and how technology is redefining the battlefield. For decades, military success depended on manpower, firepower, and strategy. But modern wars are complex. Enemies move faster, hide better, and operate in digital spaces as much as physical ones. To survive and dominate, the U.S. Army realized it needed more than strength, it needed intelligence at machine speed. Artificial intelligence allows the Army to process massive amounts of data in seconds. Satellite images, drone footage, radar signals, communications intercepts, all of this information is collected every moment. Human analysts cannot process it fast enough. AI can. Using advanced algorithms, AI systems analyze data to detect patterns, identify threats, and predict enemy movements. This gives commanders a clearer picture of the battlefield before a single soldier steps into combat. One of the most powerful uses of AI in the U.S. Army is intelligence, surveillance, and reconnaissance. Modern battlefields are watched constantly by drones, satellites, and sensors. AI helps turn this constant stream of information into actionable intelligence. AI systems can identify vehicles, weapons, and troop movements automatically. They can detect unusual behavior and flag potential threats long before humans notice them. This early warning capability saves lives. For example, AI-powered image recognition allows military drones to scan large areas and instantly recognize enemy positions. Instead of hours of manual analysis, decisions can be made in minutes, sometimes seconds. Speed is everything in modern warfare. Robotics plays a critical role alongside artificial intelligence. The U.S. Army uses robots to perform dangerous tasks that would otherwise put soldiers at risk. Robotic ground vehicles are deployed to scout enemy territory, clear explosives, and deliver supplies. These machines can operate under fire, in extreme heat, or in contaminated environments. Explosive ordnance disposal robots are already saving lives. Instead of sending soldiers to disarm bombs, robots equipped with cameras and mechanical arms handle the threat. Every mission completed by a robot is a soldier kept alive. One of the most visible symbols of robotic warfare is the military drone. The U.S. Army operates a wide range of unmanned aerial systems, from small reconnaissance drones to large, long-endurance platforms. AI enhances these drones by allowing semi-autonomous operation. They can track targets, navigate terrain, and adjust flight paths without constant human input. This does not mean drones act independently. Human operators always maintain control. But AI reduces workload, improves accuracy, and allows faster responses in high-pressure situations. Drones provide real-time intelligence, precision targeting, and battlefield awareness that previous generations of soldiers could only imagine. Artificial intelligence is also changing how the U.S. Army trains its soldiers. Traditional training relies on physical drills and simulated exercises. Now, AI-powered virtual environments allow soldiers to train in realistic combat scenarios without real-world risk. AI adapts training based on individual performance. If a soldier struggles in a particular area, the system adjusts the scenario to focus on improvement. This personalized training creates stronger, more capable soldiers. Simulations powered by AI can recreate complex battlefield conditions, urban combat, electronic warfare, and multi-domain operations, preparing soldiers for the chaos of modern war. Another critical area where AI is reshaping warfare is logistics. Wars are won not only on the battlefield but through supply chains. The U.S. Army uses AI to predict supply needs, manage equipment maintenance, and optimize transportation routes. AI can anticipate when vehicles will break down and schedule repairs before failure occurs. This reduces downtime, saves money, and ensures that soldiers always have what they need, when they need it. In modern war, efficiency can be as decisive as firepower. Cyber warfare is another front where AI plays a major role. The battlefield now includes digital networks, communication systems, and information infrastructure. AI helps the U.S. Army detect cyber threats, defend networks, and respond to attacks in real time. Algorithms monitor network activity and identify suspicious behavior faster than any human team could. At the same time, AI supports electronic warfare operations, disrupting enemy communications and protecting friendly systems. The war of the future is fought not only with bullets and bombs, but with data and code. Despite its power, AI does not replace human judgment. The U.S. Army emphasizes that technology supports soldiers, it does not replace them. Command decisions remain in human hands. AI provides information, recommendations, and analysis, but responsibility stays with trained leaders. This balance is essential. War involves ethical, moral, and strategic decisions that cannot be left to machines alone. The U.S. Army invests heavily in ensuring that AI systems are transparent, reliable, and aligned with human values. The future battlefield will be faster, more complex, and more dangerous. AI and robotics give the U.S. Army an edge by improving awareness, reducing risk, and increasing precision. But technology alone does not win wars. It is the combination of advanced tools, disciplined soldiers, and effective leadership that defines military power. The U.S. Army's investment in AI and robotics is not about replacing soldiers. It is about protecting them and giving them the advantage they need to succeed. As technology continues to evolve, the role of AI and robots will only grow. Autonomous systems will become more capable. Decision support tools will become more accurate. The speed of warfare will continue to increase. The U.S. Army is preparing today for the wars of tomorrow. This is not the future. This is happening now. If you really admire the U.S. Army and want to learn more about its power, technology, and modern warfare strategies, make sure to subscribe to our channel and share this video with others who are passionate about military documentaries.